back with compound inequalities, and we still have solve and graph. But instead of having an or in the middle to join these two pieces, we have an and in between them. So we have x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 5, and x plus 4 is greater than 1. So let's go through and solve each piece. We're going to get x by itself by adding 4 to both sides of this inequality. So we want to get rid of this minus 4, and the way to get rid of it is to add 4. But we have to do it to both sides. These two cancel, so we're just left with x greater than or equal to 9. So that's one piece of the answer. Then we have to do this other piece. X plus 4, how do we get rid of a plus 4? We have to subtract 4, but we have to do it from both sides. So this will give us x, this plus 4 minus 4 cancel. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And remember, this is still an and. Now we're going to graph. And you'll see the difference between this and when we did the ors. So let's do this. We got 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 3. Put some other ones. Now you'll see the difference. This piece says x is greater than or equal to 9. So we have a filled in circle at 9 and everything to the right of it. This piece says x is greater than negative 3. So I'm going to purposely write this above this. It'd be an open circle and everything to the right. There's a reason why I did these in pieces like this. Because of this word and, what we're really looking at is what region do these two things have in common? And if you look at this right here, this bottom piece does not have any corresponding part here. So this is only here. There is no extra piece. The only parts that are the same is this region right here. Those things have this part in common. So what you need to do, your real graph will be done. This is like your scratch work, your scratch graph. That's like your work in order to get the final answer. Your final answer will look like this. You redraw your labels, and you can put these things if you want. But the only thing that this is really caring about is what do they have in common. This is a filled in circle here, and up here that point is also included. So they have that in common. And they have this piece. This is the final answer. This is what you show people after you do your scratch work. Here it is. Final answer for the graph is this piece because it's common to both this and that. So you're looking for the x values that solve this thing and that thing at the same time. With the ors, it was you either had to do this or that. With the ands, it's this and that at the same time. So that's the big difference between them. Compound inequalities, you either have an and or an or.